Hello students, in last video lecture we had learned practice 1.5 from this question number 1 to 5. Now today we will solve from question number 6 onwards. Now what is question number 6? Estimate the quotients. In that first one 7663 divided by 109. Now as per the rule of estimate the quotients, the first rule is round off the divisor to its highest place. Now here which is the highest place? 100, correct? So we have to round off this number to the 100th place. So other these places we have to write 0. Now see after 1 what is there? 0, which is smaller than 5. So we cannot add 1 in 100's place. So 1 will remain as it is. Okay. Now second rule, we have to find out the nearest multiple, means we have to find out the multiple of 100 which will be nearest to this number. Now see for example, if I multiply 100 by 77, I will get answer 71s are 70, 77 ones are 77 and these two 0. So that is 7700. Now see, look at these two numbers. These two numbers are close to each other. So the nearest, the multiple of 100 which is nearest to this number is 7700. So that we have to take, and then we have to do division. Now see, division you can do vertically also. 7700 divided by 100. Now 100 sevens are 700. Okay. Take this 0 down. Now again 100 sevens are 700. So what is the estimated quotient? Answer is this 77. Okay. Now next question number 2. 4263 divided by 22. Correct? As per the first rule, we have to round off this divisor. So what is the greatest highest place is tens. Now so unit place compulsory 0, right? And now while writing this number, what we have to see? We have to see its next number. Here 2 is there. 2 is greater than 5. 2 is smaller than 5. So this place will remain unchanged. This digit we have to write as it is. So round off 22 is 20. Now we have to find out the multiple of 20 which will be nearest to this number. Now see, if I multiply 200 by 20, I will get what number? I will get 20 0 0 0, 20 0 0 0, 22 is 40. 4000. Okay. Now next, if I multiply like that, we will go on seeing. Now see, multiply with this 280 by 20. 28 is 160. So 0 carry 16. 21s are 20 plus 16 36. So that is 6 carry 3. And 22s are 40 plus 3 43. Now look at these two numbers. They are close to each other. So 4360. Okay. Now we have to divide 4360 by 20. Let us see what number we will get. 22s are 40. Take 6 down. 21s are 20. And take this 0. So 28s are 160. So the estimated quotient is 218. Okay. Now question number 3. We have to divide 7777 by 19. So first we have to round off divisor. At the 9th place we have to write 0. Correct? Because here the greatest place is tens and this place we have to round off. Now see here, after 1 what is there? 9. 9 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in this digit. So now tell me 1 plus 1 is 2. Got it? Now we have to find out the multiple of 20 in such a way that it will be closer to this number. Okay. Now see, if I multiply 389 by 20, what number we will get? That we'll see. Now see, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 8, 0, 0 into 3, 0. Directly also you can multiply this number by 20. But I will explain step by step by taking each digit. Okay. So first we will multiply with units place, or you can say ones place. So here multiplying with 0 will give answer 0. Now multiply with tens place. So here compulsory 0. Now 2 9s are 18, carry 1. 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now look at this number 7780. Is it close to this number? Yes. And then after division we have to divide this number by 20. So see, 20 3s are 60, carry 8. Then 20 8s are 160, and then 29s are 180. So what is the answer? What is the estimated quotient? 389. Next question. Write any 5 3-digit numbers which when rounded off to the nearest give 400. Means any 3-digit numbers we have to write, any 5 3-digit numbers we have to write which when rounded off to the nearest we will get answer as 400. So any numbers you can write. See here. First one, if I write 392. See here. Now see, as per the rule, which is the greatest place here? Hundreds. So this place we have to write compulsory 0. Now see here, 9 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in hundreds place. So it becomes 400. Now only what you will have to keep in mind, as per the rule, here second place it should be greater than 5 and here 3 should be there. Or if you are taking, now suppose here 405. Okay, 405. Now see here second place it should be smaller than 5. Then only 1 will not get added and 4 will remain as it is. So here while rounding off, what will we have to write? Here we have to write 0, and as after 4 0 is there, we cannot add anything in that and it will become 400. So first number I have written 392, 405. You can write 390 also. We can write, because see again, if we want to round off, here 0 0 and 9 which is greater, so we can write we can add 1 in this, it will become 4. If I am writing 386, okay, now how to round off? Again see, these two places 0 0, 8 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 in this, it became 400. So like that any number you can take. Now suppose I will take 300 or I will take 415. Okay, 415. Now see, I have to round off. So greatest place is this. Now see, here 2 zeros. After 4 what is there? 1, which is smallest than 5. So 4 will remain as it is. Got it? So which are those any 5 numbers which will after round off will give 400. So I have written these numbers. Okay. See now question number 8. Write any 5 4-digit numbers which when rounded off to the nearest thousands give 7000. Like question number 6 only. Okay. Now any 5 4-digit numbers we have to write which after rounding off will give 7000. So what rules you will have to keep in mind. Okay. As per that you have to think, if you are writing here 6, correct, then you here we want 7000. So here second digit it should be greater than either 5 or it should be greater than 5. So if I am writing 5, then after that any 2 digits you can write 1 2. Okay. Only what you have to keep in mind, as we want 7 here, so here write 6, so that while rounding off we can add 1 in this. But when we can add 1 to the next digit, if the digit is 5 or more than 5 is there, then. And now see, I have written here 5. So while rounding off, what we have to do? These 2 digits, 3 digits we have to write 0, and this is the greatest place, correct? So now this place we have to round off. So we have to see which is the next digit, 5, correct? So we have to add 1 in 6. So 6 plus 1 will become 7. Now see, round off this is 7000. Suppose if I write like this, any you can take number. Now this one number it became. Now if I am taking 6, 8, 4, 9. Only what care I took that, see, these don't worry about these 2 digits, last 2 digits, because anyhow that it is going to become 0 only. Only you will have to be cautious about this place. Okay. If you are writing 6, which is less than 7 by 1, if you are writing 6, then next digit it should be either 5 or greater than 5 it should be. That much care you will have to take. Okay. Now see, while rounding off, here also the greatest place is 1000. So other 3 places we have to write 0. Now as 8 is there at this place, so 8 is greater than 5. Then we have to, as per the rule, we have to add 1 in thousands place. So 6 plus 1 become 7. Now if I am writing 7 here, correct, and I want 7000, so here second place the digit it should be less than 5 must be written. So any you can write. I have written here 1, you can write 2, 3, 4, any digit. So 7, 1. Here any last 2 digits, don't worry, you can write anything. So now see, here I have written 7, 1, 8, 8. Correct? So while rounding off, what to do? 3 places 0. And as 1 is there, which is less than 5, so this place will remain as it is, 7000. Correct? In the same way, if 7, 4, 9, 5. Again see, again 3 places 0, 0, 0. And as 4 is less than 5, 7 will remain as it is. Now next number is any you can take. But here either 6 or 7 must be there. If you are writing 6 at first place, then the second digit it should be greater than 5 must be written. If you are writing 7 here, then the second digit it should be less than 5. Like that care you will have to take. Because we want 7 here, no, at the greatest place, at the thousands place. So that care we have to take. Now next any you can take. Again if you are taking 6, then 6, 9, 6, 6. Now see, 6, 9, 6, 6. Again here 0, 0, 0. 3 places 0 as per first rule. And now 6. Look at this digit, next digit 9, which is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in this. Then it will become 7000. So these are the numbers. See here. These I just showed you to understand. But so which number I have written here? These 5 numbers, which after rounding off will give 7,000. Next question of same type again. Write any 5 digit numbers which when rounded off to the nearest 10,000 give 80,000. Now what answer number we want after rounding off? 80,000. So which digit you will keep at the first place? Either we can keep 8 or 7. Okay. See here. If I am writing 7, then what should be the next place? It should be greater than 5. So either you can write 5 also, or after 5 any number. So I am writing again 7. And here any number 1. Okay. Now see, do the round of this number. All these 3 places 0. And as after 7 is there, which is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 in this. It will become 8. But sorry, here we want 5 digit numbers. I have written only this 4 digit. No? So see here, 80,000 it became. Got it? Like that any numbers you can write. So next, again here I will write 7. So here 9, 3, 4, 5. So see here again 3, all the other places, 4 places 0. As after 7, 9, which is greater than 5, we have to add 1 in the 10,000 place. It became 80,000. Again now next third number. If I take 8 in the beginning, then what care I have to take? I told you at the second place the digit it should be less than 5. Then any digit you can write. You can write 0 also, 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, or 4 also. So I am writing 0. And 2, 9, 6. Here any digits you can write. After these 2 places, any digits you can write. There no problem. So now see, again while rounding off, 0. Now after 8, 0 is there, which is less than 5. So it will remain as it is. Now next, again I will take 8, 1, 9, 4, 5. Okay. So again see, all these places 0, and after 8, 1 is there, smaller than 5. So it will remain as it is. Now last number, any number we can take. Suppose I will take 8, 4, 6, 5, 7. So if you are taking 8 here, the next digit it should be less than 5. That keep in mind. And if you are taking 7 in the beginning, then the next digit it should be greater than 5. That care we have to take. So after rounding off also, it will give 80,000. So see here. Again, these are the numbers which after rounding off will give 80,000. Followed, how did I find out these numbers? Last question of the practice is question number 10. Write any 5 6-digit numbers which when rounded off to the nearest lakhs give 6 lakh. Now which number we want? 6 lakh. So which 2 digits we have to keep in mind? Either you can write 5 or 6. Now if you are writing 5 in the beginning, then what I said, while writing the second digit, now see 6, and here if I am writing 5, while writing the second digit, you will have to take care that the second digit it should be greater than 5 or 5 it must be 5 or greater than 5. So I will write 5. Okay. And other places, 4 places, other remaining 4 places you can write any number. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any number. Now see, if you will round off these numbers, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places 0. And see, we have to round off this greatest place. So after 5, what is there? 5. So we have to add 1 in this. 5 plus 1 will become 6. So 6 lakh. Like this we can write the other numbers also. If again I am taking 5 here, then here second digit it must be 5 or greater than 5. So I will write 7. And other 4 places you can write 4, 9, 2, 8. Any digits you can write. So again after rounding off, what it will give? See, after 5, 7 is there. So add 1, it will give 6. Next, if I am taking 6, I want 6 lakh, no? If I am taking 6 in the beginning, then what? Then the second place it should be less than 5. So I will take 1, and other rest of the places you can write any number. Now see, after round off, what it will give you? After 6, 1 is there. So 6 will remain as it is. That is 60 lakh. 6 lakh. Correct? Next, again I will take 6. So second place I will take 4, which is less than 5. And other 4 places of your choice. 3, 8. Okay. So again while rounding off, what it will give you? After 6, 4 is there. So 6 will remain as it is. That is 6 lakh. Last number. Now again I am keeping 6. Then 3, 2, 1, 4, 0. After rounding off also, this number also we are going to get 6 lakh only. So see here, this is these are the required numbers.